Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. I'm sure y'all remember Jesse from way back in October. He came in, and he came in here with some really severe acid reflux and had been diagnosed with a hiatal hernia. He was having problems sleeping. He had mid-back pain, lower thoracic pain, low back pain, pain and numbness and tingling in his neck and shoulders, and headaches and bloating feeling. And you even had some lower gastrointestinal issues with diarrhea and constipation stuff going on. And tell everybody, this is your 7th visit here. Mm-hmm. We started off seeing you once a week and then once every 2 weeks, and now you're just coming in whenever you feel like it.
Yeah, I only come in whenever I feel bad if my neck's in pain or if my back's in pain. But before I used to come in because I had sleeping issues. I used to vomit in the middle of the night. I would stop eating around lunchtime just so I could sleep properly, but that stopped working.
And it's because you were having severe acid reflux, right?
Yeah, now I can eat like I'm a kid now. I can have burgers, I can have tons of greasy food, no problem.
So, and just to let you know, we are not treating him for his acid reflux or hiatal hernia condition. We are treating him for the biomechanical configuration of his spine, his rib cage, which can positively influence acid reflux and hiatal hernia conditions. But we're not treating the disease itself. We're treating the underlying cause, the vertebral subluxations in his spine and rib cage. So we're going to show you how we do that. Okay, Jesse, I'm going to have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me, please, sir. Now, it's been, what, since you've been in here?
Pretty long time.
You were in here last
in October?
Yeah. Wow. No, not October. You were in here in February.
February? Okay.
So it's been 4 months. And you've held up pretty good then, haven't you? Your posture's even better, so your head's not near as far forward as it used to be. You're straight down the middle. That's good. Your pelvis is right down the middle. Your hands are at your sides. That's good. Okay, so let's take your glasses off and put those on the table there. You know, I've got a different adjustment. Go ahead. Here, Renee.
I'm going to go this way. You're good. I know.
Okay. So, Jesse, this is a Gonstead knee chest table, and it's really good for getting that lower thoracic spine, which is where the celiac plexus is coming out to the autonomic nervous system. So, let's have you get on your knees right here and put your face up in here. It's new for you, not for me. Now I want you just to kind of let your back sink down in there and relax. I'm going to get a contact with my pisiform right on T12, L1. Oh yeah. Hang on. And keep breathing. Yes, sir. Okay, good. Now come over here on this table. Oh, that's a deep one, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Let's lay your butt right there.
I already feel the arch in there.
Yep. There we go. If you go back and look at Jesse's first video in October, you can see the amount of distress he's in. He's walking in here all nonchalant nowadays.
First one took me by surprise, really badly.
Yeah. Now you look forward to them. Okay. Oh yeah. See, he relaxes better. Doesn't yell near as loud as he used to. All right. That's it. That's why the crack addicts love you. There you go. Super. Yeah. Oh, what a relief it is.
Yeah. That's what I've been missing. I can hold out, but then
you can feel when you're going out of place.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
And plus you're looking in the mirror and checking your posture, right? Okay, let's come over here on your tummy next. Change this for you. There we go. Okay. Well, they're not playing basketball today. Legs are even, that's a good start. That doesn't tighten up too much either, does it?
No.
So we're still going to adjust your sacrum and your pelvis though. your SI joint first. There. Then your right SI. And then your sacrum, straight superior to inferior. L5, straight P to A. L4. L3. L2. I've already got that T12, L1. Okay, just keep breathing. There we go. I've still got one here. There it is. I have to catch you between bucks sometimes. Okay. Now, even though that last one didn't tighten up much, this should feel even easier.
Yeah, nothing.
Good. Okay, you gonna feel your head popping up. There. Okay, slide down this way a little bit. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. Now, he hasn't been having any acid reflux or hiatal hernia symptoms at all for like 4 months now. Just put your arm straight out to the sides. And this is his 7th adjustment total. But I'm going to do the same thing that I was doing on him when I first came in because that's what worked on him. There we go. Now, take a deep breath in. Exhale. Keep breathing. Exhale. That's it. Yep. And another one. And exhale. And another one. Very good. Okay. There you go. Should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your lower back. There you are. Good job. Okay, let's hit you up, face that way for a second. Good. Yes, sir. You're still noisy everywhere. That's it. There we go. And before you came here, you were taking all the PPI medication and Prilosec and all that stuff.
Yeah, it stopped working after a while. Eventually, I just threw that back up and chalky stuff over here.
So it's nice to be able to eat what you want when you want, huh?
Yep.
Okay, let's flex your head forward and backwards again. Well, that's perfect, my friend. Take a look. We're just going to accentuate that. Yep. Good. Now, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards again.
No pain.
No pain at all. Great. So, people out there suffering from acid reflux and hiatal hernia like yourself that may be subluxated in their spine, their rib cage, is this something you would recommend to them?
Yeah, definitely. I didn't think it was gonna work at first, but I was running out of options. I go to the doctor. They kept telling me to change my diet, and these acid pills would work, but no. And I just started Googling some stuff, and then I found this doctor and tried it out. After the first day, I was sore for 3 days, but I was able to sleep all night, no problem. Before, I used to wake up like 10, 12 times a night and then vomit a little bit and then go back to bed. But now I can sleep just like a baby.
And you eating everything you want, right?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Well, thank you for sharing your story with everybody, Jesse. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.